Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel with another exciting Excel tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make progress bar in Excel using conditional formatting. This tutorial video is very important, so complete watch the video and subscribe my channel. So let's start the process. For this, look at my Excel data here. This is the data of students of class 10. In column 1, there is student's name. In next column, there is class. And in next column there is total marks of students, and in column D there is percentage of marks. Now our goal is to make progress bar of this percentage column. So let's get started. Select the percentage column and go to the home menu and click on conditional formatting, then click on data bars. Look, there are many styles, but we have to click on more rules. A pop-up will appear. Select the first option, format all cells based on their values. In format style, let it to be data bar. In maximum type, in minimum type section, choose numbers here and set the value as 0. And in maximum type section, choose numbers here and set the value as 100. It means minimum value is 0 and maximum value is 100. So we want to make the bars in this range. In fill section, there are two options. Choose solid fill first. We can change the color of bars. So pick the color of your choice and press OK button. See, our percentage bars are ready. For second case, go to the Home tab and press Conditional Formatting option and select Data Bars. Select More Rules here. A pop-up will appear here. Select the first option, format all cells based on their values, and in format style, let it to be data bar. In minimum type section, choose numbers and set the value as 0. And in maximum type, choose numbers and set the value as 100. This time, in fill section, choose gradient fill option and select the desired color. Then press OK button. See, in percentage section, percentage bars are created of gradient style. So that's how to make progress bars in Excel using conditional formatting. If you have any question about the entire process, then please tell me in comment section. If this video was helpful for you, then please do subscribe to my channel to get more videos on Excel. Thanks for watching.